Okay then guys, here we go. In the shed, in the Vitapod, the tomatoes are doing very well. I've reseeded a few of the plugs that didn't germinate. And happy to report the cucumbers are doing okay, most of them. These two then, and that's the creaky shed door. It's rather windy out there. And they are some late chilies I've put in there. Long chilies, long chilies for a show. So I'm going to give these a water in a minute. I'll show you my watering can actually. I've never shown you that before. Oh, excuse the mess on the table, but that wasn't there yesterday. The wind's blown it all over last night. Hell of a storm last night. Anyway, that's a watering can. So what I've done, I put a bit of silicone hose on this little can. And what I can do then is I can easily hold the can up with one hand. Obviously I can't do it now. But with this hand I just squeeze the end and I can reach in and water all the different little punnets in the Vitapod without having to move all the plants around. Not a bad idea. Okay, greenhouse. Oh, that wind's picked up again. Right, on my way to the greenhouse, just show you these broad beans that are in these Deep Root Success Kit. Doing okay. What are they there? Bunyards that side. And this side are the Gran Violate. Only one germinated so far, but fingers crossed. Okay, on the bench we got the basket of fire, the sweet potato. Not quite sure whether to grow that indoors or outdoors yet. Herbs doing well. I've just turned off the Spider Farmer SF1000 for today. It's bright enough at the moment. I'll put it back on later on this afternoon probably because the sun disappears from my back garden later on. Along the top we got all the chilies. Going to be picking some of these fruits very soon. Some people say cut them off. I never have, and I've always had successful plants. Halfway through potting up the brassicas. I've got 2 more agrelans to do today, so I'll get on with that later on. And there's some more peppers over there. Up on top of the SF600 that's turned off. So we got mint in there. There's some orange balm. There's the lettuces that I was trying in the Germie small. Not very good germination, but it was very old seed, Still waiting for those to pop up. That is Nigel's Ferrari dwarf beans. Some peas in there. What we got in here? I can't remember what I put in this one. Have a look. Oh, Gardener's Delight. Sorry, that's what I've done. I've done an extra couple of punnets of the more common tomatoes. Okay, moving down. Aubergines are doing okay now that I've pruned them back a bit. And there's the new aubergines, the ones I can never pronounce. Need a good water in. More tomatoes in there. And that is the only marigold that germinated out of 21 that I planted. That I sowed, sorry. So I'll get on with some more of those later. Single seed potato at the back. And miscellaneous things here. Oh yeah, loads of spring onions in these big pots. Ginger in these 2 here. Still nothing. And then there's a single seed potato over there. And the spring onions. Ooh, upper level. Loads of peas I sowed yesterday. Loads of peas, loads of peas, different types. Ginger still sat there. More peas. Bottom level. That's the brassicas I pricked out from the agrelans yesterday. It's not really pricking out, is it? It's poking out. So I planted them up, all sorts. I think that's about it. These herbs have got to go outdoors in a minute. I brought them in last night because it was, well, I knew it was getting chilly, but I didn't realise it was going to be so wet and windy. But they're going to go back outside. And, well, I think that's about it in here. Right, upstairs, guys. Okay then, guys, upstairs with the tomatoes and cucumbers are germinating, most of them. This tray here, very poor germination. That's 2 different types of gherkin, or what do you call them, cornichons. But the tomatoes, they're doing very well. I've reseeded a few of the plugs up here as well that didn't have very good germination. But they seem to be doing all right now. Give them a good watering and then, well, that's it again for this week. Cool. What's it next? 22nd, is it? Yeah. Cool. Flying by. Right, catch you soon, guys. Look after yourselves.